Cookery Grade 9, First Quarter. Lesson 2, Learning Outcome number 3.2. Our topic is Present a range of appetizers. The art of serving. We will discuss the basic principles of platter presentation. When we say platter, it is a large flat dish or plate, typically rectangular, oval, or circular in shape. It is used for serving food. It is also called serving plate, serving dish, or tray. A platter is a meal or course served on a platter. In restaurant terminology, a platter is often a dish served on a platter or a big plate. The three elements of a buffet platter. First is the centerpiece or gross piece. This may be an uncut portion of the main food item, such as a cold roast, decorated and displayed whole. It may be a separate but related item, such as molded salmon mousse. This is also one example of the centerpiece or gross piece. Another element is that the slices or serving portions should be arranged artistically. Here is an example of artistically arranged buffet platter with a centerpiece. The third element of a buffet platter is that the garnish should be artistically done in proportion to the cut slices. Garnish is widely known as anything that adds visual appeal to a plate in the form of complementary colors, flavors, textures, or temperatures. The second principle of platter presentation is that the food should be easy to handle and serve, so that one portion can be removed without ruining the arrangement. Third, a simple design is the best. Simple arrangement is easier to serve, more appetizing, and still attractive when are half consumed by the guests. Fourth, attractive platter presentation may be made on silver or other metals, on mirrors, chinaware, plasticware, wood, or any other materials, provided they are presentable and suitable for the food. Fifth, once a piece of food has touched the tray, do not remove it. Shiny silver or mirror trays are easily smudged, and you'll have to wash the tray and start over again. Good pre-planning should be considered. Next is to think the platter as part of the whole. It must be attractive and appropriate to other presentation in the table. Here are some examples of a very artistic buffet platter presentation. We will now discuss how to design the platter. First is, you have to plan ahead. Make a sketch by dividing the tray into 6 or 8 sections. This will help you lay out a balanced and symmetrical design. The sketch should indicate the centerpiece, slices of foods, and garnishes. Second, Get movement into your design. Good designs makes your eyes move across the platter following the lines you have set up. It could be arranged in rows or lines. Here are some examples of this. Third, give the design a focal point. Use centerpiece to emphasize and strengthen the design by giving it direction and height. Note that centerpiece is not always in the center. Fourth, keep items in proportion. Fifth, make the garnish count. Use garnish to balance out the plate by providing additional element. 2 items on a plate often look unbalanced, but adding a garnish completes the picture. On the other hand, do not add unnecessary garnishes. 6. Don't drown every plate in a sauce or gravy. It may hide colors and shapes. You may cover a part of it or a band of sauce across the center. Here are some examples, which the sauces are placed either under the food to highlight it or on top to garnish it. Don't hide the food. Remember, sauces are used to enhance the food. They are not the focus. 7. Keep it simple. Simplicity is more attractive than complicated designs. 8. Let the guests see the best side of everything. Angle overlapping slices and wedge-shaped pieces toward the customer, and the best side of each slice is spaced up. Designing the platter by the use of herbs and greens, sauces, facing, and sequencing. Example of a platter with herbs and greens. Platter with a sauce or dips. A platter with different facing. A platter with sequencing pattern. The art of cooking, it's when you mix craftsmanship with creativity. As per Lao Tzu, I have 3 things to teach: simplicity, patience, and compassion. These 3 are your greatest treasures. This is Mylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.